Hello everyone, I am Janatu Naim Muna. I am going to present our research topic that is titled An Automated Approach for the Recognition of Bengali License Plate. So my co-authors are Mohammad Abdullah Al Nasim, Atikul Islam Chowdhury and Faisal Muhammad Shah. So our system can easily detect the license plate automatically through the system without any direct human involvement. So the whole study proposes a hybrid method for detecting license plate using characters from them. This is a sample picture of a Bengali license plate. So Bangladesh is highly populated country with approximate of 170 million people. So we need the most efficient road transportation system. That's why we have proposed our very own ALPR system to save many lives, precious time of people and assuring them secure road transportation. So our different approaches for feature extraction was first approach we have taken, that is you only look once. This paradigm was applied to separate license plates from the videos. We have taken the videos of cars, buses on the road to get the license plates. Then the cropped images was used with YOLO model, and finally the CNN model was applied to segment the character and also the prediction of that character. We have used our own data set that is consists of 37,700 images, which is enormous for any experiment. The data set was divided into 70% for training, 20% for validation, and 10% for testing. So the ALPR system has 7 steps. The first one was data collection. The second one was the data pre-processing and annotation. The third one was apply YOLO V3 and train dataset. The fourth one, license plate detection and localization. The fifth one, crop license plate using predicted bounding box. The sixth one is apply Otsu's threshold link for character segmentation. And the last one, we have used CNN model for character recognition. So this is basically the flow chart of our system. First one is data collection. Then we have pre-processed the data along with annotation. Then we have applied YOLO V3 and trained the whole data set. Then the license plate was detected and localized. Crop license plate using predicted bounding box. Then among it, we have applied Otsu's thresholding for character segmentation. Then we have applied CNN model for character recognition. And then we have finally got our output. So our experimental result was in 3770 test images, there was 3580 images where we find that there were license plate and predict that there were 3270 images were detected correctly. So our own CNN, modified CNN for the recognition of the characters, which had 99.43% validation accuracy, and the license plate detection using YOLO V3 had an output accuracy of 0.81 mean average precision. That means 80% guess or prediction is correct. This is the basically an analysis of YOLO V3 model. These are the graphs